rode with them, partied with them, coached them, anything you can do. Weddings, christenings,
whatever.
Since the dawn of time. And they have stood by our side in friendship, support, even financial terms. We are grateful to have them, and we couldn't help but name our very first boat after them. So I present to you for the first time the Sue and Pam.
We hope the future crews have the success we have been fortunate to share.
If I can call upon my bride, Nicolette, to come on up here for this one.